What's up, everyone? I just wanted to do a quick video here. If you have to replace your alternator on an Evo 8, all right, so this is our homeboy's Evo 8. The alternator wasn't sending a signal to charge it. Pretty much it was just giving out about 0.3 volts. But this is what you have to do. So typically you have your tensioner, and then your alternator sits more up here, more up there. What I had to do on this vehicle is I removed the tensioner, I pulled the axle, undid the strut. Up top, I pretty much undid the mount right here so that you can see that I removed the bolts, and I removed the bolt that goes into the side. You need to remove that so you can have some leverage. But once you do, the last thing that you would have to do, and support the motor, definitely do that before you pull the motor mount. But you do have to undo the downpipe and loosen it enough to where you can kind of push it back out of the way, because where it's going to slide out from is going to be in this section right here. So the motor I have lifted up a little bit because I undid the mount. I pulled the tensioner because it was hitting the top of the frame right here, but by removing that I was able to get it high enough, and I moved the downpipe. I loosened it. I took off the mid, but you can loosen the downpipe and just move it out of the way, and it'll slide out through this section right here. So that's just a quick reference guide if you ever have to pull an alternator on an Evo 8.